Hey friends, good morning. Happy Friday to you. I hope you are having a great day so far. I know it's kind of early too to come on live. Some of you on the West Coast are just getting up, so good morning and happy Friday to you. I realized this morning I was thinking I missed the ball on something, and so for that I apologize, but I haven't really told you guys what's coming for Roots and Wings Furniture for 2019. I spent a lot of time in December and even the beginning of January planning what is coming for you all. And so I wanted to share that with you here. I usually do a blog post or a roundup or, something like the best of 2018 and kind of move into 2019. And I just didn't do that this year. I was so excited to jump into what was coming next. I completely just missed that. So for that, I apologize, but I wanted to do that here. I thought we could chat and hang out just for a little bit. And we are already halfway through the first month of the year, which is crazy to me. So we got to get on this, and I gotta tell you what's coming. So good morning, good morning. I would love to say hi to you. If you're popping on, just give me a quick hello and let me know that you can hear me okay. I'm trying out this microphone thing. I think that will be better audio quality, but I can only really hear myself. I hope that you can hear me all right as well too. All right, let's jump into it and let me tell you what is coming this year. So, as many of you know, the end of last year, the website got a redesign. I am super excited and happy with how that came out. You can see it all at rootsandwingsfurniture.com. I know many of you go there all the time. So that is there for you. That was kind of the end of last year. And, okay, hold on here. Hi, April. Hello, Tracy. A little muffled. Now, if I hold it any closer, I think that defeats the purpose. We'll see. I'm going to keep going and we'll see what happens. I think if I push it, it's going to go off. I'm not technically inclined here, friends. This is like push the button and hope it works, right? All right. So the website got a redesign, which is fantastic, and my focus is going to be a lot on the website this year, blogging and just giving you posts and all kinds of things that are helpful to you. What goes along with that is YouTube. I spent a lot of time starting probably in like October of last year, really working on my YouTube channel, trying to give new content there, and that's what I will continue to be focusing on. So far, we've gotten one episode. I'm going to call them episodes, one new video a week over on YouTube. So those usually come out midweek, usually about Wednesday. There will be a video for you, and then coming through with a blog post to kind of back it up to give you some more details. I know some people like to read rather than watch a video or hear me talk, and so the blog post will go with those videos as well. So that's what's happening on the site. I will also continue to be doing more DIY home projects because I love that. So, especially here in the winter in Pittsburgh, my goal has always been to come inside and kind of get out of the garage, put the furniture aside a little bit, which I'm never very good at, but come inside and do some home projects. So home DIY, easy projects around your house, those will be coming for sure. I have a long list of projects that I'll be working on here, and as always, I try to make them budget friendly and just fun for you to do. Things that that us women can do, right? It's fun. Hey, Crystal, thank you so much. Crystal, I saw Roots and Wings Furniture commented, and I was like, what? I got it. I got you, girl. Thank you. My office is pretty. I always sit in front of my husband's desk. That's behind me. His desk is so messy. So I always sit where you can't see all the papers on his desk. So, secret, I just let it out. My desk I can't handle a messy desk. There's like 2 papers and then that's it. His, it like exploded. So I always sit in front of it so you can't see that. Okay, so that's all the website. That is YouTube. That's what's happening there. As far as locally, I know some of you are local to the Pittsburgh area. 1111 Gifts is where I have I work there usually once a month. We host classes there, and if you saw my video from last Saturday, you saw that we are remodeling the shop. They are remodeling the shop, and there is a workshop room. It is so close to being done. We're having our first class there tonight. They kind of get to see the in progress, and then we will be finishing out that space and holding more classes there. I cannot wait for that to be there and be done. The plan going forward is to have one paint class and one DIY class a month at least. There may be more coming. That'll probably be what's coming from me. So that's fun. I think we're going to call them Build Like a Girl classes, and we'll get some power tools involved, some small projects that you can build yourself. And again, just getting women behind some tools with some being comfortable with it and teaching them some skills as well. So that will be happening in the shop, as well as paint classes, which I continue to love, and people seem to love that as well. So, hey Chris, hey Connie, good morning. Oh, see, y'all like that, huh? Girl, Build Like a Girl. I was excited about that. I'm real excited about that. With the local classes, something that has been on my heart, and I talked about this a little bit last night on Donna's page, whenever I post a local class, I feel so bad because so many of you are not local. And so then I get comments that say, I just wish I could come, I can't come. And the answer to that is something we're trying, like the online furniture painting class. I do have videos that you can download at any time if you're just like, I really want to get into painting, I don't want to wait for a class to come. There's always those videos available, but I wanted to do something that was more intimate, more of a group setting. So we're doing the live class. The first one is next Saturday. If you would like to join, I put the link above where you can sign up. It's the online class. It's fun because it's going to be held live where you could ask questions and I could answer them immediately. But beyond that, even if you couldn't jump on live, you can hang out with me. We can discuss. It can be a small group setting for a few weeks. It's not an ongoing group. It's not a membership. It's just a short time period where you can learn as much as you can from me. I can be your support and your network and give you all the shortcuts that I know. Hopefully just download it into you so that you can move on and already know that skill. So that's my hope for the online classes. If it goes well, if people like them, we can expand that possibly into DIY classes online. I mean, who knows, right? So we'll see, but that's my intent and my heart behind that. I just wanted to share that there for you. So those are the exciting things as far as classes coming up. And yeah, Julie, for you in Southern California, I wish I could come to California in like January and February. I'll leave Pittsburgh. I'll go to California. But for now, we'll do it online. We'll meet online, and that will be there. My intent is to do those online classes a few times throughout the year. They're not going to be as frequent as the once a month classes locally here, but maybe every couple months. So if you miss this first round, keep an eye on the page, and I'll try and let you know when the second one will be coming around as well. And if you have any great idea, you think, man, I just wish Jenny would do this class, please let me know. I'm always open for suggestions, comments, anything like that. I can't come up with all these things myself. That's for darn sure, right? And then I have one more thing to tell you about. I meant to grab one. I don't have one right here. Something that just was a surprise to me last year that happened. It turned out to be just a joy. So I wanted to talk to you about this a little bit. Someone gave the store a box of vintage mason jars, and we didn't know what to do with them. We kept looking at them, and I thought, man, those would be really pretty candles. Well, y'all, I had never made a candle before, ever. Maybe when I was a kid, those dipping the taper candles. But I thought that would be really fun to have a candle, if it smelled really good, a candle in those. So I did some research. I bought some scents. This was right before Christmas, so this was early December. I found some amazing candle scents. I poured the candles, and they sold like bananas from the shop. They all but two, I think there's two left, they sold out. People really liked them, and it was so much fun to make. I was shocked. I love candles in my house. There's usually one burning. I think it gives a sense of home, and just it smells good. It makes your house feel warm and inviting, and you can always bring a seasonal scent in that you like, something that just, I don't know, I feel special when I'm burning a candle. That's the honest truth of it. So I love candles. So I was thinking, man, this was really fun. My husband got involved. We were pouring candles in the kitchen. It was kind of a funny, just a surprise. Sometimes things take you by surprise, just a joy that you didn't expect. So we are going to have 4 candle releases this year. They're going to be seasonal. The spring candle line will come out next month, smack dab in the middle of February. So us Pittsburghers will need it for sure. And all of you West Coasters, you'll be in spring, and that will be fun. We are going to just do small batch soy candles. They will be in mason jars. Unfortunately, it is really hard to source vintage mason jars, so they will not always be in vintage jars. They'll primarily be regular mason jars or tins. I am going to try to sell them online, so they will be available for everyone, as well as locally in the shop here as well. So again, that was just like a surprise. I didn't want it to be this random, like, what is she doing now? I do plan to write a blog post about that coming up as well, but it was truly just a fun thing that I tried and ended up loving. So I want to dive a little bit deeper into that. So we will do seasonal candle releases. They will be small batch, so kind of it'll be when they're gone, they're gone. I don't intend on becoming a candle company, but just make it like a fun little side thing, another way to make your house a home, and a way that I can hopefully bless those who are not even living close by. We can ship them and send them your way. So that's something else. Again, that was just a surprise last year that I was like, all right, we're just going to try this. We're going to run it, you know? Yay for candles, Crystal. I know. I'll send you one. So that's what I have for you. Again, I just wanted to kind of run down my thoughts and plans for 2019. I know we all have goals, and we all have intentions for the new year. So I wanted to let you know what was coming at you from the business, and wanted to also thank you so much for being fans and followers. I could not do this without y'all. I love the community that we have built. I think it's really special. I think it is what makes this fun. So thank you for wherever it is that you follow me on social media, on my website. I love serving you, and that's the main intention behind all of this. So thank you all so much. Have a wonderful, wonderful Friday. I hope you have a great weekend. We are waiting for snow apocalypse coming here, so we'll see what happens on our side of the country. But I hope you have a fantastic weekend wherever you are. Thank you again for being here with me. I appreciate you guys, and here is to a great 2019. So we'll see you later. Bye, Connie. Thank you.